Hi guys, in the previous video we saw how to create the unique or different shape of the column for the same project, the columns like this. In this video we're going to learn how to create the strip foundation. So for that we'll go to the AutoCAD drawing. So we have the detail of the strip foundation. So first thing we will see the section E2. So okay, we're going to go to the Revit first. We'll go to the strip foundation. Here we have imported the AutoCAD drawing to the Revit. As you can see, we have the strip foundation flowing all the way till here. We'll see this. We have section A2 here, section A1 dimension. The only difference between section A2 and A1 is the thickness of the wall, that is 200 mm, and the section A1 is 350 mm. So first thing we'll start from here, this side. We have section A2 here. So we'll read the AutoCAD drawing of section A2. So the depth of the footing is 300 mm, and the depth of the wall from the NGL, that is natural ground level, that is 600 mm, and from the top of the footing the wall height will be minimum 1000 meters, 1000 mm, sorry, 1000 mm. So what are we going to do is we're going to provide 1200, that is 200 mm extra. We have the heel and toe dimension is given here. The dimension of toe is 300 and dimension of heel is 300, and the thickness of wall is 200. Similarly for A1, the only difference is the toe on the heel length is 225 and the thickness of wall is 350 mm. The depth is everything same. The depth of footing is 300, depth from the NGL is 600, and from the top of the footing, the height of wall will be 1000 mm minimum. So let's get back to the river. So first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the wall. Here we're gonna go to wall, structural wall. We'll go with foundation 300 mm concrete. We'll edit this. We'll duplicate this, and we're gonna name this as strip wall mm. Okay. Edit this, and we're gonna provide it as 200 mm. Okay, and okay. Here we'll go with the pick line method. Oh, pick line is actually following. We'll go with line. Okay, finish facing exterior. Okay, okay. Later we'll align it. We have the wall till here, and from here will the section A2, A1 will continue, that is of 300 mm thickness. First we'll align the walls here, and this to this, this to this. Here also the alignment is required. Okay, okay. Everything is perfect now. So one thing is missing, that is we haven't provided the levels. That is, we'll go to the elevation. We already created the level. We already know that the plane beam is at the height of 0, that is NGL, and we have provided the level strip foundation, that is minus 600 mm as per the AutoCAD drawing from the NGL to 600 mm depth. So Okay, what we're gonna do is we'll get back to the wall. We'll go with the west elevation. Here we can see the wall. The base constraint will be strip foundation and the top constraint will be unconnected. We are providing the height of the wall is from the top of the footing it will be 1000 mm as per the drawing, but we are providing it as 1200, that is 200 mm extra. So here we'll import to 1200. Similarly, we're gonna do this for this wall also. We'll go with strip foundation and unconnected 1200. We have one wall here. Base will be strip foundation and it will be unconnected and the height will be 1200. Now another one, strip foundation unconnected and 1200. Now we'll go to the 3D. As you see, we have created the wall, and now what we're going to create is the foundation for the wall. We'll go with edit type. We'll go to the do first thing, edit type. We'll duplicate it and we'll name it as foundation foundation 300 mm depth section A, and from the structural usage from bearing we'll do it retaining. As you can see, we have a toe length and the heel length is provided, that is 300 and 300. We'll provide that. The toe length is 300, heel length is also 300, and the foundation thickness is 300. We're gonna apply this and okay. We just have to click on the wall and the foundation will automatically create for this wall and this wall also. Okay, now again go back to the strip foundation. Here we have section A1, sorry, section A1. The thickness of the wall is 300 mm as per the AutoCAD drawing. We'll go with wall, structural wall. For the same wall, what we're going to do is we'll edit type, duplicate it. For this, we'll provide it as 350 mm and we'll remove this. Okay. And we'll go with edit. We'll provide the thickness as 350 and okay. We'll go with snap and punch. Okay. So our 300 mm wall is ending somewhere over here, and again we will continue with the A2 section A2, that is 200 mm all the way. It will go somewhere over here, and we'll provide the footing for this wall. Again, we have to provide. We'll select these walls. We'll go with the filter. We'll only select the walls. We'll provide the base constraint of strip footing, unconnected, and the height 1000 pounds. So we'll provide the foundation for this one. We'll go with the same foundation. I think there might be some changes in this foundation for section A1. Heel and toe is 225 and 225. We'll change this. Area type 225, 25, and sorry, this is 225, and the foundation thickness will be same 300. Just click on the wall and automatically the foundation will be created. Okay, that is it for today's section. We'll continue the same wall, entire wall, and again it will continue till here. It will end up somewhere over here. And in the next section, what we're going to do is we'll learn how to provide the reinforcement for the same strip foundation as per the AutoCAD drawing. We'll go with the VG, hide the levels. In the next section, we'll learn how to provide the reinforcement as per the AutoCAD drawing. Here we have the AutoCAD drawing, we have the reinforcement details also. Then Revit will provide the reinforcement for the footing and the wall. So that is it for today. Stay tuned for the next section. Thank you everyone.